Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. I am back after what feels like a billion years. I have been super busy, but that is a story for another day. I have for you today a BUN hairstyle video, and it is super quick and easy, that I guarantee. I'm just going to take my hair and I'm going to tie it into a ponytail, a regular ponytail. Then I'm going to separate a section of my hair, and I'm just going to separate it completely. For the rest of my hair, I'm going to split it into two parts and I'm going to make a rope braid. I'm just going to twist the two sections around each other, and then I'm going to turn it into a bun, and I'll pin it up nicely, and that will be it for the bun. The section that I left out earlier, I'm going to make a regular 3-strand braid out of it. I will pull out the braid a little, और उसके बाद मैं अपने बन के ऊपर से इस braid को गुजार के पिन कर दूँगी, and that is it. A very quick chick hairstyle in just 2 minutes. Next one is a messy bun hairstyle. आप अपनी front flick छोड़ सकते हैं या अपने पूरे बाल tie कर सकते हैं. That is completely up to you. I'm just going to take a band and I'm going to pass it halfway through. Then I'm going to twist it, and then I'm going to tie the hair, as you can see in the video. पूरा pass नहीं करना band को. Halfway through you have to start tying your hair, and yeah, that's it. You just have to pin it up just according to your taste. इसको आप ज़्यादा मेसी बना सकते हैं, कम मेसी बना सकते हैं, वॉल्यूम ज़्यादा दे सकते हैं, pull out करके, completely up to you. So yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. Do let me know how you liked it and what other hairstyles or makeup you would want to see. I'll see you guys in my next video. Allah Hafiz.